Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to connect Nintendo Switch to laptop with HDMI. Full step-by-step setup guide. Step 1. Connect the Nintendo Switch dock. Place your Nintendo Switch into the dock, then connect the dock to power using the official AC adapter. Second one is connect the HDMI cable. Plug one end of the HDMI cable into the HDMI out port on the dock, then plug the other end of the HDMI input on the USB capture card. Third one is connect the capture card to your laptop. Plug the capture card into a USB 3 port on your laptop, then wait for your computer to detect the device. Fourth one is install OBS Studio. Download and install OBS Studio if you haven't already. Open OBS after installation. Fifth one is add the capture card. In OBS, click the plus button under sources. Select video capture device, then click create new. Choose your HDMI capture card from the device list, then click OK. Sixth one is start playing. Your Nintendo Switch screen should now appear in OBS. Maximize the preview window or switch OBS to full screen mode for gaming. Thanks for watching.